Now, recently I've heard people say, this person always gets away or this person is, not held accountable for something. First off, if there is deeply rooted corruption in your community and someone gets away with something, you don't ignore the deeply rooted corruption and focus on the crime. That's actually out of order, kind of like how everything is out of order at this time, as we see. It's all planned, it's all design. As the Clintons would say, it's systematic. But what side are you on? That's the question. Every time, what side are you on? Are you on the good force? Or are you on the corrupt force, which is the bad force? Make no mistake, there is no confusion. You're not riding the fence. It's one or the other. It's a yes or a no, like they want you to answer. So, let's go back to basics 101 here. You can't trust anybody that doesn't know the law fully. Someone that wants to discipline you, they want to correct you. They want to tell you what to do. And it's obvious they're not doing what they should do. We have an age-old problem here, an age-old historic problem here, don't we? Are we going to combat it the same way every time? I don't know. How long is it going to continue to happen? How long do we have to continue to combat it is the question. Now, I will say, you notice people are, focusing on their own, but you don't neglect your duties. You don't allow people to sit in jail cells that shouldn't be sitting there. You don't allow people not to work because you want to focus on things. When people submit harassment, discrimination, abuse to you, you should appropriately investigate it. You don't disregard the claims. You don't retaliate. You don't threaten. These were things that we once were all on the same accord, all on the same page about. Now with the monopolies, we seem to have our good and bad confused as well. How long? That's what we want to know. The people want to know how long. How many times do we have to point out the ignorant questions that make no sense, that are irrelevant? They're not applicable. People wasting your time again, wasting your money again.